Welcome to our quick guide on installing Boundaryline SmartWall Horizontal Fencing. A complete SmartWall fence panel consists of 2 C-posts, 2 rails, 4 vertical support beads, 2 post caps, 6 palings, 1 half paling, and Tech screws. We recommend painting or staining the palings prior to installation. Begin the installation by fastening the C-posts to each other back to back. Attach 2 screws 60 mm from the top of the post. Continue attaching screws down the length of the posts, alternating the sides that the screws are attached. Insert the C-posts into the post holes, ensuring the posts are at the correct height and adequately supported. Pour in the concrete. When the concrete is fully set, insert the bottom railing between the posts, ensuring there is at least 50 mm of clearance from the ground. Fix the rail into place from both sides of the fence using the provided Tech screws. Slide the first palings into place, ensuring the tongue edge is facing upward. Push the paling down firmly into the bottom rail. After inserting the first palings, slide the support beads into the grooves in the C-posts on both sides. This will keep the palings stable. Continue to install the remaining palings. Once all the palings are in position, place the rail on top and tap it down inside the C-posts. That should be 15 mm from the top of the rail to the top of the post. Fix the rail into place from both sides of the fence using the provided Tech screws. Apply the post caps to the C-posts. For more information about SmartWall, including technical information, visit our website at boundaryline.co.nz. Thanks for choosing SmartWall by Boundaryline.